In this video, we're diving into how to grow your business online without being a tech expert. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build an online presence and thrive in the digital age. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Why an online presence matters. Credibility and trust. So your website is often the first impression that potential customers have of your business. Nearly every consumer reaches a company online before making a purchase these days. If someone can't find you, they may question whether you're legitimate. A professional website builds trust by showing that you're an established entity with products or services worth exploring. Control and discoverability. So relying solely on social media profiles means you're renting space on someone else's platform. If that platform changes its rules or goes down, you lose your storefront. But by building your own website, you control how your brand is represented and you can improve your search engine visibility. Search engine optimization, or SEO, makes it easier for customers to find you when they're ready to buy. Data and growth opportunities. When you have your own site, you can collect insights on how visitors interact with your content. Analytics tell you which pages perform well and where people drop off. This data helps you make informed decisions, whether it's adding a new product or adjusting your marketing strategy. Leveraging simple tools, domain and website builders. So the first step to establishing your online presence is securing a domain name. A domain is your address on the web and should reflect your business name. Now, companies like Network Solutions offer domain registration with built-in search tools that help you find an available name. Now, and many of their packages include a free domain for the first year. After choosing a domain, you need a website builder. Network Solutions, for example, offers an AI-powered builder that can create a professional site in just minutes. You answer a few questions about your business, and it generates a layout and sample content. If you want more control, you can use drag and drop editors that let you customize fonts, colors, and images without writing any code. Now, if you want to get started with Network Solutions, we've got a link for you down in the description. Just click on that link and it'll bring you to this page right here. From here, you can go ahead and click on the AI domain search to go ahead and search for a domain that works for you and your business and one that's available. Or if you're ready to get started, you can go ahead and click on host your website. Now, from here, they've got a couple different options that you can choose. There's a starter plan, which starts out at $2.99 per month for a 1-year term. There's the essential plan at $4.99 per month for a 1-year term, and the premium for $6.99 per month for a 1-year term. Now, if we scroll down a little bit here, we can go ahead and see that on the essential and premium plan, we're going to get a year free domain. We're also going to get a year free SSL certificate, which is going to keep your site safe and secure. So go ahead and click the link down in the description to get started with Network Solutions. Now, we also have a couple different codes to use at checkout. So let's go ahead and run through that right now. So if you go ahead and add this to your cart here, let's go with the essential plan, and we'll go ahead and add a domain, and we'll go ahead and search for a domain here. All right, so it looks like we can get the essential hosting here for 1 year. And then we got the SSL certificate. We've got that .com, which they're including for free for a year, which is awesome. So if I wanted to go ahead and save even more money, then I'm gonna go ahead and just type in promo code CC20H, click apply. And there you'll see it went ahead and took off even more money. So for only $47.90, I'm getting a full year of hosting with Network Solutions and a free year with a domain. So go ahead, click the link down in the description and use that code at checkout. We also have some other codes here for like 50% off an annual builder and 20% off domains that will show on the screen here, as well as put down in the description below. Marketing and automation tools. So once your website's live, marketing tools help you attract visitors and turn them into customers. Email marketing services allow you to send newsletters and updates automatically. Social media management platforms let you schedule posts and track engagement across multiple networks. Automation tools like Zapier connect your different apps so that when someone fills out a contact form, their information is automatically added to your email list. Security and support. Security is critical, even for a small business. So by choosing a hosting provider that includes SSL certificates, firewall protection, and regular backups, like Network Solutions does, is a great option. So Network Solutions and Web.com have actually merged their resources to provide full support and security features. If you run into problems, there's 24/7 support teams that can walk you through solutions so you don't have to troubleshoot alone. Low-cost growth strategies. Growing your business doesn't have to be expensive. Focus on efficiency and smart experimentation. For example, automate repetitive tasks like sending invoices or posting to social media. This frees up your time to engage directly with customers. Consider launching small-scale products or services to test new ideas without huge investments. These micro products let you gauge interest and gather feedback quickly. Be open to iterating based on customer responses. If something resonates, you can expand on it. If not, move on without significant losses. Putting it all together. So growing your business online is about combining the right tools with a clear strategy. Start by securing a domain and building a professional looking website. Use user-friendly builders like the ones provided by Network Solutions to design your site and integrate the marketing tools to drive traffic. Remember, you don't need to be a tech expert. The technology is designed to serve you, not the other way around. Case study, building trust with the basic site. So let's imagine a local bakery launching its first website. The owners aren't tech experts, but they know they need an online presence. They secure a domain with Network Solutions and use the built-in builder to create a homepage with mouth-watering photos, an about section sharing their story, and a menu highlighting their signature pastries. This is how you can get people's information into email marketing, which is a source that you own, not the social media overlords who can change the algorithm at any point in time. So this case study demonstrates that you don't need complex features to really make an impact. A straightforward website that tells your story and makes it easy for customers to contact you can really transform your business. Understanding your audience online. Knowing your audience online is just as important as understanding them in person. You can use tools like Google Analytics to find out which pages people visit most. If most of your visitors come from mobile devices, you want to ensure that your site is mobile friendly. And guess what? Most of your visitors will come from mobile devices, especially in 2025 and beyond. So look at the demographics of your audience and tailor content and promotions to their interests. On social media, pay attention to comments and messages. These interactions provide valuable insights into what your customers like, what questions they have, and which products resonate with them. Responding thoughtfully builds relationships and shows that you value feedback. Content creation and blogging. So blogging isn't just for writers. It's a powerful tool for any business owner. So when you publish articles that answer common questions or provide tips related to your industry, you build authority and attract organic traffic from search engines. Consistency is key. Create an editorial calendar and aim to publish at least once a month. Use a friendly, conversational tone so that readers feel like they're hearing from a friend rather than reading a corporate brochure. Incorporate keywords naturally and end each post with a call to action, encouraging readers to sign up for your newsletter or explore your product. Email marketing best practices. So an email list is one of the most valuable assets that you can build, like we talked about earlier. It gives you direct access to people who already have shown interest in your business. Start by offering a sign-up incentive, like a discount, like we talked about, or maybe a free guide if that makes more sense for your business. Make sure your subscription forms are easy to find on your website. Tools like Omnisend are great for that. We've got links down in the description to get started with Omnisend. Now, when you send emails, keep them personal and relevant. Segment your subscribers based on their interest or purchase history so you can tailor messages to their needs. Avoid spamming your list. Quality is more important than quantity. Regular newsletters that provide helpful information, behind-the-scenes stories, or special offers keep your audience engaged and excited about your brand. Social media strategy without tech. Managing social media doesn't require fancy software. Start by choosing one or two platforms where your audience spends time. For many small businesses, this might be Instagram and Facebook, or maybe LinkedIn for B2B services. Create a posting schedule that you can stick to. Consistency is more important than frequency. Use a mix of content types, photos, videos, customer testimonials, and behind-the-scenes glimpses. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages promptly. As your audience grows, you can explore paid advertising options to reach a wider group, but always focus on authentic interaction over quick wins. Leveraging online marketplaces and local SEO. If you're a product-based business, online marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon, or eBay can complement your own site. They provide built-in traffic and allow customers to discover your products while you build your brand. Local SEO helps brick-and-mortar businesses attract nearby customers. Claim your business on Google Business Profile. Ensure your contact details are consistent across the web, and encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews. Local directories and community forums are also valuable places to list your services. Scaling up, adding e-commerce or appointment booking. As your business grows, you may decide to expand your website's functionality. If you offer products, consider adding an online store. Tools like WooCommerce make it super straightforward to list items, process payments, and manage your orders. Even service-based businesses can benefit from e-commerce by selling digital products or gift cards. Appointment booking tools are useful for salons, consultants, and anyone who schedules meetings. Integrate a booking system into your site so customers can choose a time that suits them without the back and forth emails. Measuring success. You can't improve what you don't measure. Set clear goals for your online presence, whether it's increasing website traffic, generating leads, or boosting boosting sales. Use analytics tools to track progress toward these goals. Pay attention to metrics like the number of visitors, conversion rate, average order value, and email subscription growth. If you notice a plateau or decline, dig deeper to find out why. Maybe your content isn't resonating or your calls to actions aren't compelling enough. Adjust your strategy based on these insights. For example, if visitors are reading your blog but not signing up for your newsletter, then experiment with different sign-up incentives. If your email campaigns aren't driving sales, then test different subject lines, offers, or sending times. By measuring success and adapting, you stay on course toward your business objectives. Continuing education. The digital landscape changes quickly. Stay curious and commit to learning new skills and trends. Follow blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels that discuss online marketing, e-commerce, and business growth. You can attend webinars or online courses to deepen your knowledge on topics like SEO, copywriting, or social media strategy. Investing time in education pays off because it enables you to make smarter decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Consider joining online communities or mastermind groups where entrepreneurs can share experience and support one another. Surrounding yourself with peers and mentors accelerates your growth and keeps you motivated. So, growing your business online is both an art and a science. It requires patience, creativity, and a willingness to learn. Don't be discouraged if progress feels slow at first. Every blog post you publish, every social media interaction that you have, and every new subscriber that you gain is a step forward. And by focusing on delivering value and building relationships, you create a sustainable foundation that supports long-term growth. As you experiment with new tools and strategies, remember that perfection isn't the goal. Progress is. Celebrate small wins and use setbacks as learning opportunities. Over time, the skills that you develop will compound, giving you confidence to try bolder initiatives. With determination and the right resources, you can create a thriving online presence without needing to become a tech expert. So, if you want to get started with network solutions like we talked about earlier today, you'll find the link down in the description below. Now, this is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. So these commissions really help support the channel and allows us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.